So this is how you import your customers' contacts in bulk. So first of all, you have two options. You can either click add customer and add your customers one by one, right? Or you can download this spreadsheet, then what's it called? Now fill up that spreadsheet with your customers' details, your customers' names, phone numbers, emails, their consent, and now import all of them at once, right? Because it's easier to just fill up a spreadsheet, do 100, 200, 1,000 contacts, and now upload them all at once instead of having to fill in this form every single time. Okay, so this is how you go about it. What you do is you come to customers from your homepage. You come to customers, then click on download CSV templates, right? So after downloading it, open the templates. So what you do is you open the templates. Then I would advise for you to use Google Sheets instead of Microsoft Excel, because I've noticed that Microsoft Excel there's a way it's interfering with the format of the phone number. So when you're importing it, it's not going to import in an ideal way. So open Google Sheets. Let's see. Let me look for a Google Sheet, a nice one. I'm going to do from this sheet. So we'll say just depot customers, right? Now what you want to do is you click on file, then click on import, then come and click on upload, next browse, and now choose that CSV template that you just downloaded. Then next is replace current sheets, and now import it. So this is what you're going to get. This is the template that we need to fill in. Okay, so we have the first name, last name, email, phone number, business notes, promotional email opt-in, promotional email. You see these columns, these are the ones that you need to fill. So what we'll do, just as an example, we'll do, let's have this removed, then we'll say it's okay. So actually I'm recording this tutorial because of RB for perfumes. So we're going to have a customer called Atta Manyonge. His email is attamanyonge22@gmail.com, right? And now for you're going to be checking your contacts list. You check your contacts, then you enter them here. You list them all over here. Now make sure your phone number is in this format: +2547. You can say something like that. 78. I'll say 1 customers. I'll say yes. Actually, I'll show you a shortcut for this because these all have to be the same. So let's add one more. Two more. Let's do 2 more. So you can say James Amena gmail.com, and say it's supposed to be plus. So you can put a space at the beginning so it's not recognized as a phone number, as a formula. Yeah, we can do that. Then let's say 9. Let's say 1 customer. Same will do. What's the name? Let me check this. Oh, still good. I'll say agent, right? Agent 47. That's his name. 47 at gmail.com. Say 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7, something like that. Now what you do for these three columns is you select the three of them, then you see this dot here, then you come and drag it, and that's how you automatically, it's an easier way to copy paste things. So we're going to drag it back to here. Let me do Control Z. So drag it till that point. Okay, now this spreadsheet is ready, assuming that you've filled in all your contacts. The next thing to do is to now download this template, this spreadsheet, and download it as a CSV. So comma separated values, take note of that. Now you come back to your admin, then you click on upload file, and also this is another option. You can decide to paste people's phone numbers or upload the spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and choose this file, then we preview it and see the people who will be added. Oh yeah, this email was already added. So you see it's going to import 3 customers. So now let's refresh and check for sure. Now we'll see all our customers have been added. Agent 47, James Omena, as well as Atomanyonge. You get it. So this is the easiest way so far to import your customers' contacts in bulk. So thank you so much, and with that, I'll see you on the next one.